so if you notice that if the EE get deeper, that means I'm getting all of my nervousness out. So I don't know how much more out that can be. Mahalo for having us. Mahalo to our MCs, Brother Wade and Kunina, and our sound man, Hanalei, and Alan, thank you for this invitation. We were gonna bring I was planning on bringing 10 dancers. And then when I went to book the flights, they were like $259 per round trip. And I was like, oh, laters. We'll just cut that right in half. Maybe 4. 4 is good, yeah, 4. So here we are, straight off the airplane from Maui. A little background before I bring our next two Opio out. Once again, if you guys don't know who I am, it's okay. But my name is Komako Kukona, and I have a halau on Maui. This halau started 15 years ago, well, nearly 15 years ago, on Oahu. I am a Uniki graduate under the tutelage of May Kumamalu Klein in the 2003 Popolauae class, and I see some of my little sisters here. I just got nervous after I saw that. Since then, I moved back home to Maui in 2006, where I was born and raised. I lived on Oahu for 15 years, going to school, and eventually I found my way back home to Maui, and it's been 12 years now. I was hired as the male vocalist for the stage theatrical show Ulalena. That's what took me home. And I did a weekly commute every weekend. I would work Monday through Friday, and then the last flight on Friday night, I would fly home to Oahu. I did that for 2 years, and I said, heck with this. I'm not going back there. And I never left the Maui. The rest is history. I like to bring out two of my Opio. They're both teenagers. Actually, one just graduated from Kamehameha, and one's going to be a senior at Kamehameha. Where are you? So this is Justice, everybody. Justice Lee Kapoi. And he's a senior at Kamehameha. And you know, as I age and I notice that some of my dancers are getting old, I finally realized that some of my... No, it's a good thing, because then your kikis start getting old and then they get even better. So I figure we're gonna start throwing my teenagers into these shows, because I cannot always depend on the showgirls and my core. So this is Justice's first Oahu professional gig. And this area here, we'd like to honor our Kalakaua Ohana. Without mention, Mamala and all of these areas of Kakuhi of Lua played a vital role in the comings and the goings of our monarchs and of world heads. This played a very, very vital transporting port for many things that happened on this very island and in this very Pai'aina. So to our Kalakaua Ohana, this is for you.
Uluae ka hau miki oe ole huae Hua mai ka leo hea kanani Hea kamuana Hea ke kualono Au hea oe maui o maui nui a kama Nga kama la value no hoai mai kaya kalani. Ai holowano kala kawa. Holowano.
Holowano kakawa ai ni tapono lampu tu. Holowano kakawa ai ni tapono lampu tu. Aho ilai. Ei tahitia ho imai. Ai kahitia o pelekani. Ai kahitia ho imai. Ai kahitia o pelekani. O ilai. Mai kahitia wa ipahu. Ai kapuhe kaeke. Mai kahitia wa ipahu. Ai kapuhe kaeke. Ikapahu kani alono, olono ikamakahiki. Ikapahu kani alono, olono ikamakahiki. Aho ilai. Hei tani moana, akani hawe apapuan. Hei tani moana, akani hawe apapuan. Kala kau.